Who doesn't like gifts? Everybody loves getting something nice, right? That's why gift marketing is such a powerful method of e-commerce business promotion. Giving discounts and free products to customers is an easy way to earn their trust and increase the amount of money they spend. Are you ready to benefit from this promotional method? Then meet our brand new Ali Dropship add-on, Giftbox. Giftbox is a powerful solution that lets dropshipping store owners create gift offers of various types that will pop up on their site depending on the conditions they set. All one needs to do is to set up his offers and watch customers place orders and enjoy their shopping experience. Let's take a closer look at this new add-on settings right now. The Giftbox add-on provides you with a high level of customization. You can set up every part of your gift offers. Let's start with design choices. After installing and activating the add-on, you can pick the colors for the widget icon to match your store design. You can also set up the widget position by placing it on the left or right side of the screen. You can also create your own unique text to catch store visitors' attention. To do it, go to the next step of settings. This box can be used to customize the title and subtitle in the widget that customers will see on the site. Let's write a new title for an offer. In the preview, you'll be able to see how the icon has changed according to our settings. In the last section, you can customize when and how often the pop-up window should auto-open, as well as how many gift offers customers can get. Now we're done with the cosmetic appearance of the Giftbox offer. Now we are diving into the most interesting part, creating your actual gift offers. To create a gift offer, click on Dashboard. At the top of the page, you will see the Performance Summary section that will display statistics of your Giftbox offers. Below it, you will find the Giftbox Offers box with all the offers you've created. Click on the Create Gift button to make a new offer. The Giftbox add-on lets you create 4 gift types: discount, free product choice, custom free gift. Let's create a new offer to demonstrate how to use Giftbox. For example, let's set up a discount offer. The box on the left contains the gift settings. On the right, you can see the preview of the widget, i.e., what buyers will see when visiting the store. The window will display different notifications depending on whether the shopping cart of a customer is empty or not and whether the gift threshold is met. So let's write the title, which is just for internal use, so you know what the offer is. Then, pick an icon for our discount offer. And lastly, customize the discount size. Now we need to set up conditions under which the gift will be offered to customers. And we get 4 options here as well. Threshold. This means the gift is offered when the overall cost of the product added to the cart reaches a minimum cost. Product. The gift will be offered if a customer adds a specific product to the cart. Product of the list. Works like the product option, but allows you to offer multiple trigger products from which a customer can win a gift if they add that product to their cart. Product of category. Lets you offer the discount as long as the customer adds any product from a given category or categories into his cart. Let's pick up product for our offer. Then, let's select a specific product a customer should add to their cart to get a discount. The last section of the box allows you to customize the text in the widget if you prefer something unique instead of the default options. For our demo, let's leave everything as is. Now let's have a look at how this Giftbox widget looks on an actual site. Once we visit a store, the pop-up opens to notify us about tempting offers. Let's say we want this 20% discount. We add this product to our cart along with others. Notice how the widget has changed? This means we've met the conditions and can get our gift now. The customization of other discount types is pretty similar. We are sure you can sort everything out. With the Giftbox add-on, you will be able to motivate customers to buy more with gifts, increase sales and the average order value in your store, improve retention rate in your store, build positive relationships with customers and grow their trust level. Score all of this for $39. Visit our site to learn more or get the Giftbox add-on with the link below the video. Have fun with it and good luck!